What's up everyone, it is Thais here. Welcome to my video. So today I will be doing a get ready with me where I do my hair and makeup. So today I did these cute 2 double buns on my transitioning hair, and I also did a light touch of makeup. So before we get into the tutorial, I just want to let you know that I partnered with Yode Watches to bring you guys a giveaway where you can win $100 towards your very own Yode watch. So I chose to get the Frankie. This is the purple plum and heart, and this is in my favorite color, so I just had to have it. And I love their watches. I just have to say I love it. It's very lightweight, it's very stylish, it looks very natural. I just love the natural aesthetic of the wood watch. I've never had a wooden watch. And also in the box came a cloth to keep your watch clean. It comes with a natural finishing oil, and it also comes with another microfiber cloth, and it comes with extra pieces just in case you want to get your watch bigger. So make sure you guys check out the giveaway in the link down below this video. And also I will leave a coupon code. It's called Thais, so that you can get $25 off, just in case you just want to go ahead and order your own watches. Yeah, so let's get back to the video and I will show you guys the tutorial now. For my hair, I will be doing 2 double high buns on my transitioning hair. Right here, I'm just parting my hair going straight across. And then I will put that top section into a ponytail, add some edge control, twist the hair down, and pin it. So for the bottom bun, I comb the hair up as close to the first bun as possible, and I just repeat the same steps for that bun as well. To give my hair more volume and create a bigger bun on my transitioning hair where it does match my natural hair, I just take 4 pieces of Afro kinky braid hair, and then I separate those pieces, or I fluff them out just to make them match my type 4 hair better. So after all 4 pieces are fluffed out for a more natural look, I just take a bobby pin and I hook those 4 pieces of braided hair together 1 inch away from the ends. And then I pin it to my bun and then wrap the hair around and pin it down. Make sure you pin your bun down as much as possible. About like 4 pins is best to make sure it is tight and snug so that it doesn't go anywhere throughout your day. So depending on how big or how small you want your bun, you can choose how much pieces of hair you use. So if you want a smaller bun, just use less pieces. If you want a bigger bun, use more pieces. After repeating the same process on the back section, now is when I tie my hair down so that my edges can lay down and so that that edge control can get a chance to set while I do my makeup. So now it's time to show you guys how I do my very natural makeup, barely there makeup. This is like my everyday fast routine makeup. This literally takes me like 5 minutes to do. So I just fill in my eyebrows lightly with my eyebrow pencil. I will leave the product list down below in the description if you are interested in seeing the specific products I'm using. So this makeup routine is more like going for a walk in the park or going shopping, where you don't like really want to get glam, you just want to look put together. So this is how I do my makeup like 90% of the time in my daily life. After filling in my eyebrows to my liking, I just take some eyebrow gel just to set it in place so that they don't move throughout the day. And this is how my eyebrows look. And now I just take a light dust of powder all over my face. I use a powder that matches my skin tone, so this powder is very like light coverage. Especially when I'm using a brush, like there's barely any coverage. This just basically makes my face look fresh and alive, basically. And then I take some mascara just to give my teeny weeny eyelashes a bit of a plump. So after my face is completely finished, now it's time to tackle the lips, and I am done my 5-minute makeup routine. So I just take a brown lip liner to outline my lips before I apply my pink lip gloss so that it can flow well and just look a lot more natural. So after finishing my makeup and hair, I am ready to hit the town. Everything is finished. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a rating, subscribe for weekly videos, and don't forget to enter the giveaway down below in the link. Thank you all so much. Bye bye.